Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to view your watch history on YouTube TV. Ever wondered what you watched last week, or want to find that awesome documentary you stumbled upon? YouTube TV keeps a record of your viewing history, and it's super easy to access. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to find your watch history, both on your computer and on your TV. So, stick around and let's get started. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tutorials. It really helps us out. Okay, let's jump into how to view your YouTube TV watch history on your computer. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube TV website, that's tvyoutube.com. Make sure you're logged in to your Google account that's associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it. A menu will appear. Look for and click on Settings. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings screen, you'll see a menu. Select Privacy. Finally, click on Manage Activity. This will take you directly to your Google Activity page. Here you can see a detailed list of all the videos you've watched on YouTube TV, organized by date. You can scroll through and find what you're looking for. And that's it for viewing your watch history on your computer. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, let's move on to how to do this on your TV. The process is a little different, but still very easy. On your YouTube TV app on your TV, navigate to your profile picture. This is usually located on the left side of the screen. Select Settings. Then, scroll down and select Privacy. You will see Manage Activity. When you click the Manage Activity on your TV, you'll be redirected with a browser window and asked to select your account. Once you select it, you can see your watch history. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to view your watch history on YouTube TV, both on your computer and your TV. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We read and respond to as many as we can. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.